How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Abe's View. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to flash my walking script for MLB 21 The Show onto your Zen device and then load it up onto your console and use it. This is a step-by-step instructional video. So if you're running into any instructions, this is definitely the video to watch. So as you can see, I have my Cronus Zen currently connected to my PC. This is what you want to do as well. Make sure you have it connected. Make sure you have it all updated and you know what you're doing. Basically, what you want to do is make sure your Zen is working properly. If you do not know how to set it up, how to get it working, I recommend watching other videos, looking it up on YouTube. But this is considering that your Zen is working. So you want to go ahead, plug it into your computer, and open up Zen Studio. As you can see, I have Zen Studio opened up right now. You're gonna go into the bottom left corner, and you're gonna go ahead and search up MLB The Show 21. Boom, we've opened it up. These are all the scripts that are made for the Zen for MLB The Show 21. As you can see, here are my two scripts, the walking script for PS4 and PS5, and the walking script for Xbox. Depending on whatever console you're on, grab the one that works for your console. So we're going to go here on the right side and hit the download button. You want to hit that, it's going to go ahead and download, and then it's going to go ahead and automatically open up in compiler for you. My advice is, once you get it on this step, is save it to your computer. So hit File, Save, and just save it. As you can give it any name you want. I'm going to go ahead and give it MLB 21 Walking Script version 2. It's going to ask me if I want to replace it because I already have it saved. But yeah, boom. As you can see, we saved it and we gave it a name. You can give it any name you want, but I recommend saving it and giving it a name. That way, when you look it up on your Zen, you actually see the name. Whatever name you put up here, whatever name you save it as is the name that's going to show up on your Zen when you select the script. That's about it. Boom, we have it saved. We're in compiler. Now you want to move on to the next step, and that's flashing it to your Zen. So you want to make sure you hit the programmer button up here. Sometimes it's going to open up in a different menu. It might open up this menu or this menu or this menu over here in folders. Don't get confused. It's totally fine. Just hit the three lines right here that says GPC scripts right here on the left side. Hit those three lines, and boom, you're going to see your script right here. Whatever name you gave it is going to pop up right here. All you want to do is press the script with your mouse and drag it down to whatever slot on your Zen is down here. I'm dragging it down to slot number 3. Bam, it's in there. If we highlight it, it shows us that it's there. Okay? And then you're going to go ahead and hit the play button, which will program your device. So hit that, and as you can see, it's saving to the device. And once you do that, your script is now downloaded from the Cronus library onto your device, ready to use. I'll see you guys on the console. So basically what you want to do is you want to make sure that your player 1 controller, so your main controller right here, is connected to your PlayStation. Okay, as you can see, it's connected to the PlayStation. It's charging, and this just loaded up a game. Great. So you want to make sure that this controller is charging and plugged into the PlayStation. As you can see, the red cable. Then you want to have your Zen like this. Okay, the reason why I have it disconnected, I'm going to show you guys in just a second. But you want to have your Zen ready to go. I recommend connecting your Zen with a wire. Do not use it wirelessly, because if not, your controller will shut off. You just connect it with a wire, trust me. Connect it with a wire, you're going to have no issues. Connect it with a wire just like this. As you can see, bam, controller's connected to the Zen. The Zen is connected to the game, to that over there. If you know what I'm talking about, if you use it on PS5, you got to do this. Just make sure you have a working Zen device, okay? Then what you want to do is on your main controller, you want to head to the settings on your MLB The Show. Okay, we're in settings. You want to go to settings, hit settings. Okay, so now we're in settings. This is very important. You want to go to gameplay settings. You want to press L1 on your remote and go to general. Scroll all the way down to where it says warm up relievers. Turn that off. If you do not turn that off, eventually your pitcher will get tired, and eventually the game is going to force you to pick a new pitcher, and then you're going to be stuck warming up that reliever. So make sure you turn that off. Next, go to presentation settings, turn it on to fast play, and turn all these 4 off: batter walk up, in-game sideline, in-game ticker, and closed captioning. Turn all those 4 off and have fast play on. Next, go to your audio video and turn off the goddamn PA volume, and turn off the commentary volume as well. Trust me, you're going to thank me later. Otherwise, the guy's going to be screaming Oh my goodness, you have walked this player this many times. I can't believe what I'm seeing. So make sure you turn that off. Otherwise, you're going to be annoyed because you're going to have to mute your television every time. And once you change those settings, you're good to go. Press circle and hit apply changes. Okay, so now we're back on the main screen. You want to go to exhibition. Make sure player one, again, player one is not connected to the Zen. It's connected to the PlayStation. You want to go into your console settings. So if you have a PS5, it's your PS5 settings. If you have a PS4, it's your PS4 settings. Go to your settings. Okay, we're in the console settings. You want to go to system, power saving. Find somewhere on your console where you find power saving and make sure you put set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Put that to don't put in rest mode. And set time until controllers turn off. Make sure you put it to not turn off. That is very important. You want to be able to set the script, to walk away, come back, and you have 500 runs. If you have it to where it turns off after 15 minutes, well, guess what? Your controller is going to shut off. So make sure you have that. Now we can hop back into the game. Okay, so we're back into the game. You want to make sure you pick exhibition. I don't want to hear questions. What game mode do I use it on? It's not working on here. It's not working on there. This is why I'm making the video. You want to use it on exhibition only. I mean, I'm sure it'll work for you on Diamond Dynasty. I don't see why you would want to use it on Diamond Dynasty, but yeah, this is how you do it. So make sure you go to exhibition. Make sure player one, the controller that is not connected to the Zen, your profile account, P1, you can see it, it's blue, is on the away team. Now at this point and this point only is when you want to connect your Zen. So I'm going to connect it right now. Just give me a second. Okay, we just connected it. Now look at this. The controller turned on by itself, and now it's asking me who is using the account. So now you pick the account that you want to use it on. So we're going to pick the secondary account, not my main account. Now the Zen is player two. So you want to move it to the home team and just press X. Go through all the menus. Doesn't matter what you press. Press X. Doesn't matter if it's a not-ending game. That's why we changed the settings to fast play. Just press X. Go through all these menus and wait for the game to launch. Okay, we're in the game. Very important. Make sure player one, your controller, is the home team. As you can see, we're batting. And player two, which is connected to the Zen, is the away team. So make sure you select the script, okay? Make sure you put the script. There we go. We got the script. Then press and hold the D-pad for 2 seconds. And that's it. Press it for 2 seconds. It should activate. It should go. I highly recommend you let it go for about 40 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes. You want to get to about 450 runs. And then you just press and hold the D-pad for another 2 seconds and close out of the game. All right, guys. It's been about 45 minutes. As you can see, we're at 450 plus runs. So to stop it, just press and hold the D-pad button for 2 seconds. 1, 2. As you can see, it stopped. Nothing. So, grab your player one controller, and all you gotta do is quit the game. Let's see how much you get. Boom. We just got 30,758 XP. Don't worry about the stubs. It's glitched. Now I'm gonna show you guys the proof. So we're gonna back out. It's the player one controller. Okay, we're back on the main screen. We're gonna load into Diamond Dynasty. Now we're in Diamond Dynasty. We're gonna head over to the program. 5th inning. As you can see, we have 5,356 XP. Now, the way this glitch works, you gotta sit here for at least 3 to 4 minutes and the XP should be loaded in. So just give me a second, I'll be back and I'll tell you guys how long it took. In fact, here I'll show you. It is 7:20 p.m. right now. We'll see what it is when it comes back. Bam, guys. It took less than 1 minute. 7:21. And I got it. So we're gonna back out and I'm gonna show you guys. Backed out. Get back into the program. Boom. 35,356. So this is how you use the script, guys. Follow every single step I showed you in this video and it should work perfectly for you. This is literally what I do every single program, and I get to 650,000 in 2 days. 2 days of doing this over and over again, and I get to 650,000. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, and good luck.